Yeah, hi there again. It's Scott with Mr. Water. Today is December 9th, 2024, and I am in Highland, Maryland, which is pretty much central Maryland between Baltimore and Washington. And I'm at a pretty good sized place here. This place is about 4,500 square feet. It's about 20 years old, and this system, this old Culligan system, it looks to me was probably put in not long after the house was built, and he's been having problems with it now for quite some time. For the last 10 years, it really hasn't even been in service, some of it. So, the other problem they got is he's run out of water a few times. And when I say run out, I mean run out, down to zero, to where there's no more water coming in. And so we're going to address that with a larger pressure tank and hopefully cure his problem. But we'll see if that may require another pressure tank, or maybe he has a problem with his well system that we don't know about. But I kind of doubt that, because he's able to live daily life. 4 people living here, and they're able to get by. There's just certain times where they don't have any water, and that's typically after one of these 3 Culligan systems regenerates or backwashes and uses quite a bit of water. So I'm putting in one system. I'm putting in a large water softener because they've got enough iron in the water, and the water's hard enough to where there's enough bicarbonate alkalinity present in the water. It's not going to eat any of the plumbing or really cause any problems. He's got a geothermal system here and 2 water heaters. You can see the geothermal there. His main problem is also sediment, so we're going to address the sediment problem with some additional large filters. But anyway, it's going to be a major improvement. His water pressure is going to be better when I get done. And so, sometimes when you diagnose these types of problems, you just got to start, in the beginning, and that's with a large pressure tank, and see where that takes you. His well pump's 3-4 years old, so it should still be in good shape and not need to be replaced or pulled or anything like that. So, I'll take the next video after I get the new pressure tank in. Hi there, it's Scott with Mr. Water. What you're looking at is a 120-gallon well tank. This particular customer had a low-yielding well, and the tank was getting kind of old, so they went ahead and had me put in a 120-gallon well tank for them. I'm going to put in a system tomorrow, but I wanted to make sure this system pumped up properly and they had plenty of water. So if you have a low-yielding well and you're running into water storage issues, this is what you want to do. You want to get a larger pressure tank and save your well pump. That's what this customer did, and yep, it's going to work out good for them. So high-quality pressure tanks installed the right way, call Mr. Water.